Hello guys, and welcome to another video where we will talk again about the helix. This is what we were drawing last time in the last video, where we have seen that if I rotate a ruler, I will not repeat myself, but let's go over it quickly again. This is what I was seeing from the front when I was rotating the ruler like so, okay? And this is what the camera was seeing, okay? Because I was rotating the ruler and moving forward. For this explanation, you have to watch the other video, okay? And what we did last time was, in the last video, was we matched the numbers, so 0 with 0, okay? And 1 with 1, and so on and so forth. And we had drawn the helix. But as you can see, I am not matching the numbers one by one, okay? I have matched all those numbers over here, and I can just draw a freehand curve, which is a helix, okay, like so. But let's talk about two shortcuts which I can take. One of them you can already guess, and the other one, by looking over here, you can guess as well. So what I did over here, I have drawn the same thing, kind of, but rather than drawing the full circle, like so over here, okay, I have just drawn half of the circle. I have also matched the beginning of the lead of the helix, okay, I have matched it with the center of the circle, so that they are in the same position. Now, when you do this, you just get rid of this half of the circle, okay, and you are quicker because you have less to draw. We can do this because the number 7 and number 5, if I project number 7 from here, it will be right on top of number 5. So here I have written 7 and 5. Even 8 and 4, if I project number 8 over here, it will be on top of number 4. So I do not need a full circle, I only need half of the circle. Okay? So by drawing half of the circle, that is enough. When you do this, be careful that you have numbers both on the circle and on the lead of the helix over here. So do not mistake those numbers with those numbers, especially when it comes to number 6 and number 0. So number 6 of the circle here, I've written the numbers of the circle in black. I hope you can see them from the camera, okay? So those are in black, okay, the numbers on the circle, and the numbers on the lead are in red, to distinguish between them. So over here, I have written again the numbers on the circle are in black and the numbers on the lead are in red. This is actually the normal way, not this one, but this one is the normal way that we are used to drawing the helix. Even if you have some exam, okay, if you get this question in the exam, you will be asked to draw the helix and you will be expected to draw it this way, so by taking this kind of shortcut, okay, and it will be expected. Now let us match the numbers, and this gets us to our second shortcut. When I match numbers, I know that I'm matching 0, the red 0, or the 0 of the lead, with the black 0, or the 0 of the circle, okay. I also know that I have to match 1 with 1, 2 with 2, okay, and so on and so forth. But it would take a long time if I had to keep watching and looking where I'm going. So what a lot of people do is go diagonally, okay, and move on just by crossing over diagonals. Now when I come to 6, I have to go back up and up again. Now be careful with this one, because if you miss one diagonal and if you do it wrong, like let's say after 3 I go to 4 and mistakenly I go here, okay, and I mark off that point, then all the points behind that one will be wrong, okay. So when taking this shortcut, you have to be cautious, and there's also another trick that you can use, okay. So when you are on number 3 and number 9, okay, keep in mind that 3 and 9 are on the center line. Alright, so while going forward with your diagonal skips, okay, diagonal jumps, so to say, alright, when you get to number, so here's 0, 1, 2, 3, and I can see that number 3 is on the center line, so I know I'm correct. I don't have to check the black numbers because it is on the center line, so the black numbers are correct for sure. Okay, so I only have to look down and make sure that I am on number 3 over here, which I am. Okay, so that is good. After 3, I go on with 4, 5, and 6. Now, number 6 is another checkpoint. Okay, number 6 is always at the bottom. So, when I'm on number 6 and I'm at the bottom, I know that I am correct. I don't even have to travel any further down because I can see number 6 and I know that over there I am correct as well. So, number 7, number 8, and number 9. No, number 9 is on the center line, so I'm sure I don't have to look over here. I'm sure that that is correct. I just have to check it out with the number 9 on the lead, which is also correct. Again, I keep going, so diagonally 10, 11, and 12. Now, number 12 is the last checkpoint. Number 12 is at the top. I don't have to look at this number, okay, but I have to check with the 12 at the bottom over here. Okay, and those are the 2 shortcuts that you can take and you are kind of expected to take when drawing the helix. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching.